Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to bring you along in the kitchen while I make a big old salad and some homemade dressing. Also, if you haven't hit subscribe, go ahead, find that red button down there, subscribe, like, comment, so you don't miss out on any of the fun. Let's go. These lemons are huge. I'm just going to do like a quarter of a lemon. I got the lemon in. And do a little bit of oil and a drizzle of, this is the Trader Joe's organic wild honey for a little bit of sweetness. So there's the dressing, and then I've got organic mixed greens is all this is. I keep this in my Tupperware container for freshness. And then I've got some dried craisins, some walnuts, feta cheese. This is also from Costco. And that's basically it. Oh, I lied. I like oranges on mine. And that's just one of the orange cups from Costco, just to make my life easier. Okay, so here's my lunch. I've got the salad that you just watched me make, and I'm gonna have some of the mini naan bread from Costco as well. These are so soft, so delicious. I do 2 of them microwaved in the microwave, obviously, for about 30 seconds, and then I like it with the organic classic hummus, also from Costco, with a big old thing of water. So, that's my lunch. What'd you have for lunch?